Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down 3 real global companies that allow you to work fully from home, no matter where you live. These are not get rich quick ideas, okay? These are quiet, stable, remote friendly roles that people all over the world work in every single day. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not guaranteeing results or employment. Always do your own research before applying to any company and make sure the job suits your skills, experience level, and long-term goals. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start with the first company called Andela. Andela is a global talent matching company. They connect skilled professionals from Africa and other parts of the world with global organizations looking for remote workers. Even though they are known for tech roles, the opportunities keep expanding every year. What makes Andela special is that it was built with Africans in mind, including Nigerians, Kenyans, and many others. So they understand the challenges that remote workers face when trying to enter the global market. Andela is a fully remote distributed workforce. That means you don't need to relocate. You can stay where you are, work from home, and collaborate with global teams through quiet online tools like email, messaging platforms, project management tools, remote collaboration software. No phone calls, no loud environment, no pressure to be on camera all the time. Just focus, quiet work. Here are examples of roles they often match people with: software development, quality assurance, data roles, technical writing, product support, research roles, documentation roles. These roles are usually task-based, quiet, and fully digital. To work with Andela, you need to visit their official website, create a profile. This is important because companies browse profiles. Upload your skills, work samples, or portfolio if you're serious. Complete assessments based on your field. Wait for matching. Andela selects candidates based on skills, not location. So if your profile is strong, you stand a good chance. Andela is perfect for remote workers who prefer quiet, focused tasks. People who love structured and long-term project work. And anyone looking for a stable global work environment. Next, let's talk about GitLab. GitLab is one of the world's most famous remote-first companies. They don't have offices anywhere in the world. Every single employee works from home. They provide a software platform used by developers, companies, and teams to manage projects, collaborate, and build software. Why GitLab is perfect for quiet remote work is GitLab is built around asynchronous communication. That means you don't have to be online at the same time as your teammates. Meetings are limited. Most communication is written. You work in your own time zone. It is one of the most peaceful work environments you will find. If you prefer calm work days, minimal calls, and structured workflows, this company is ideal. Even though GitLab is known for technical roles, they also hire for technical writing, customer support, mostly chat-based. So if you love chat-based opportunities, GitLab is your go-to. Operations, documentation, marketing roles, administrative roles, community roles. These positions rely heavily on writing, organization, and online collaborations, not phone calls. Here's the process. Visit GitLab's careers page. Look for jobs marked remote or global. Read the job description carefully. Prepare your CV and portfolio if required. Apply directly on their platform. One great thing about GitLab is transparency. They publish their company handbook online, so you can read how they work before you even apply. GitLab works best for people who enjoy writing, quiet work, deep focused tasks, minimal meetings, structured systems. If you are introverted or simply prefer peaceful work environments, this company is one of the best. And finally, we have Deel, a global HR and payroll company that helps businesses hire remote workers anywhere in the world. Even though they are known for their HR technology, they also hire remote employees themselves. Deel was built around remote work from day one. Their whole mission is to make international hiring easy. This means remote first culture, chat based support roles, asynchronous communication, global teams, no loud call center environment. Most tasks are quiet, digital, and documentation based. Due hires in areas like customer experience, compliance support, document review, HR support roles, operations and back office, email based support, research roles. Most communication is through email, internal messaging, and written documentation. How to apply to Deel? Go to the Deel website, scroll to the careers or job section. Look for roles listed as remote, global, or remote anywhere. Prepare a simple professional CV. Apply directly on the site. Deel doesn't require you to be in a specific country for many roles. They focus more on skills and fit. Now, Deel is ideal for people who enjoy structured tasks, those who prefer email over phone calls, anyone who wants a modern tech-friendly remote team, people who love HR, support or operations work. So those are three real global remote first companies that allow you to work from home: Andela, GitLab, and Deel. Each one offers quiet tasks focused, fully remote opportunities that fit different skills and experience levels. If you want me to continue this series and break down the next three companies on the list, let me know in the comments. I'm creating consistent, safe educational content to help you understand the real opportunities available in the remote work world. Now, the best part, you can apply from anywhere, whether you live in Nigeria or any part of Africa. Don't forget to research each company mentioned in this video, prepare a strong CV, and stay alert for new openings. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Let me see your engagement in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.